In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the clutch and the brake lever in your CFMOTO 300NK. So if you happen to drop it or it tipped over and broke one of your levers, this video is going to help you out. I'm going to be installing some different ones. These are adjustable and they're aluminum, but the install will be the same even if you put on the factory ones. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be doing the clutch lever first. You can slide this little protective cover back. And you'll see you have a Phillips head screw right there. And then on the very bottom, you're going to need a 8mm socket. We're going to be doing the clutch lever first. You're going to slide this protective cover back. We have a Phillips screw on the top, so you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. And then right there on the bottom, you're going to need an 8mm socket. We're going to go ahead and remove that screw. Now you can just lift your clutch lever out. Lift up, it's going to come right off. So if you take a look at what we got going on here, we have this cable, we have the barrel on the end of it, and that's going to go inside this round section on the new clutch lever, and then the cable is going to come out here to the side. Now some people will put this in upside down and twist this cable around. All you have to do is put your clutch lever in at this angle, push that barrel up into the hole, and then you're just going to keep rotating your lever around and it will drop right into place. Now you can kind of hold the lever, wiggle it around a little bit until you see the holes line up, and then drop the screw down in the hole. You can reinstall the nut on the bottom side and tighten it up. Slide the protective cover back in place. There's the clutch lever all installed. Now we can go ahead and do the brake lever. Just need a 10mm open-end wrench on the top, 10mm socket on the bottom, and go ahead and loosen it up and take the bolt out. And this is what the factory lever looks like. There's no cables, no hoses or anything on this side. Just going to slide the new lever in place, look down from the top, line up your bolt, and start threading it back in. Now go ahead and put our nut on the bottom side back on and tighten it up. And there's the brake lever all installed. All right guys, lever's all installed. How do they look? And that's all there is to it, guys. The new levers are on. It only takes about 20 minutes to replace both of them. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.